slowly, slowly, slowly. There you go. You want me to help you lift it?
No, I think I'm good.
There you go.
That's a better fish. It's probably 50, 60, 70, 50, 60.
Yeah, hold the line with your hands if you can. He's already out of the piling, so work your way to the back.
Okay.
Tighten up. There, now crank. Crank on him. There you go.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want him to lose the fish in the pilings. The finesse is key.
The finesse is
actually key.
Where are you, dude?
Oh, 100-pounder.